Your central air conditioner works to keep your whole home comfortable. When it isn't working like it should, there are a few things you can do to try and solve the problem. Make sure the thermostat is set to cool and the temperature is adjusted correctly. For digital thermostats, try turning it off for a few seconds to restart it. Also check that all the air vents are open and unblocked so that air is flowing freely. If your AC isn't turning on at all, check your circuit breaker. If the breaker is tripped, flip it fully to off and then back on. If it trips again, don't reset it and call a professional. A dirty or clogged air filter can keep your air conditioner from working properly. Replace the dirty filter and change it regularly, or about every 3 months. The outdoor condenser coils on your AC unit collect dust and debris, which can reduce efficiency. Inspect them often and clean as needed. Restoring cool comfort to your home is easy with these tips. If these don't work, get expert help with HVAC repair services through Lowe's.